Hey guys, welcome back from BIM Eaton Studio. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how can we do save viewpoint in the Navisworks. First of all, we have to go to the Viewpoint tab, and then Save Flow and Playback panel. We can see the Save Viewpoint tool. When I click Save Viewpoint drop down, we can see two options. The first option is about create save viewpoint. The second option is about create recording. So before I create a save viewpoint, I'm going to show you how to open the save viewpoint document window. So when we click this downside arrow, so this will pop up save viewpoint document window here, and after that this window also will appear when we click on the save viewpoint tools, and this will create new save viewpoint, and then also open save viewpoint window as well. And then another option is we go to the view tab, and here window, and then we click window drop down panel. We also see save viewpoint window here as well. So let me uncheck, and then when I check again, this will also pop up the save viewpoint. I want to see here permanently, so I need to pin this window. Alright, so I'm go back to the viewpoint tab, and then I'm going to create another save viewpoint. Just click on the save viewpoint tool, so this will create another one. So I'm going to rename view01, and after that let me create another one more thing. So I'm gonna create new one, rename to view02. Alright, another one. So this will be view03, and the next will be the view04. Currently, I just created a full save viewpoint. Then I went to create the animation. So right click on the save viewpoint window, and then add animation. So this will create another animation. Currently, even I click on this elevation, all this play button is grayed out. I need to drag all my new view for view. So just click and drag into the animation. Okay, so when I click on the animation, this play button is active. Before I click play, I need to check the time duration of my current animation. So right click on the animation, and then click edit, and we can check the duration is about 72.9 seconds, but I only went about 10 seconds. Then change to 10 and click OK. And after that, I'm going to click the animation and just play button. So alright, so now I got the new animation video based on my save viewpoint. Alright, so I'm going to show you another option. So this one is about the recording. So this recording we can also use when we are doing walkthrough. So first of all, I need to turn on my realism. So just check the third person, and after that I'm going to use the walk tool, and then after that I have to check gravity, and then okay, just leave it about the crunch. Before I'm going to walk through, I have to adjust my 3D view. So I have to use look around tool, and after that look around here we can do like that, and then press the mouse wheel button and I can adjust my 3D view. Alright, okay, then Alright, so now I got my custom view. So I'm going to start the walkthrough now. Okay, so this time we need to check again when we click the walkthroughs, and then we have to check the other option is active or not. Okay, so I need to place my human avatar on the ground, and after that just adjust the view. And now so I'm going to click the record through. So I'm start working now. Alright, I'm go to the outside first. Okay, so right now I just want to go into my to this building. So just walk, and then okay, currently I cannot go in right now, so now I need to check off pollution, then I can go in properly. Alright, so now I'm in the first story. Alright, so now that time we also went to adjust my third person, so we can edit the third person here. We have to click edit current viewpoint, and then this window will pop up, and then we have to go to the setting. Currently this model is using the fit unit. So now I can currently this viewer, the enter the viewer tab, radius, height, and eye offset is regarding to the avatar, and then the avatar angle at distance is about is regarding to the distance from our side. Alright, so now let me adjust the radius. Currently I'm using 1.5. If I change to the 3, our avatar side we're going to change, so this will become the big guy. Now I'm going to adjust another thing. I change back to the 1.5, and then I offset I'm going to change to the 2. Alright, so this will become like that. Okay, let me change again about the eye offset into the 4. Click OK and something like that. So the eye offset, so this means this will be about 4 feet from the floor. Alright, and then after that I'm going to change to the 0, and then the height also I want to change to the 6.5. Alright, so now this is our view. Okay, currently we can only see about the almost the half height of the avatar, so we can change like that. Currently our angle, our distance is about 9 meters, so this means we can see our avatar is 9 feet away from our view. So if I change to the 15, and then the eye offset I also want to change about 1 feet. Click OK and click OK. So now we can see like that. Currently my avatar is inside the slab, so I need to adjust my eye offset to, and then our height also change 6 feet. Alright, okay, so now just so now we adjust the avatar view. Currently I am recording my animation, so now I'm going to walk through. Okay, so now I'm going into this room. Okay, so my avatar is quite far from my view range, so I can adjust something like that, change to the 8. So my avatar is 8 feet away from my view right now. So now I'm trying to go out. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use another staircase to go up. So this time, we need to turn on the collision because we need to go up. We need to use the stair to go up. So just turn on the collision, and then we can go up like that. Okay, so far I cannot go up anymore. So this time and check the collision again. And after that, I need to check on the collision again. Okay, sorry. I need to check off the collision again. Gravity. Alright, let me try again. Okay. So currently I cannot go up anymore. So now I have to adjust my view by using the look around tool. So okay, I'm going to zone in mine. Alright. So this means here I have the another layer. That's why I cannot go up. Another layer seems like the floor. That's why I cannot go up. Alright. So now I'm going to use the walk tools again, and then I'm trying to go up. Okay, I'm trying to go up. Alright. So now I can walk to the second story now. Okay, so this here seems like no door, so but I just want to go out, so just turn off the collision and then go out, something like that. Alright. Okay. So after that, I'm going to stop my video, stop my recording, and then after that we can see our recording now. This will take a few moments. Okay, so now I got another animation 01. It's like got a lot of frame. I think this may be more than 10,000 frame. Alright. So now let me save my Navisworks model. So we can save here NWD or NWF or NWD or NWF, but I like to save NWD, so this is better. But currently I have another NWD same name. So now I'm going to change walkthrough, then click save. So I just saved my file as a NWD. So this means this file can open on the Navisworks Freedom platform as well. Alright, so now I'm going to edit my animation time. So right click and click edit. Currently this will take a long time, 528 seconds. But I only want to see about 15 seconds. Then click OK. Alright, then I'm going to play my video. So this worked quite fast because now I adjust my video to the 15 seconds, so this will be very fast. Alright, so I will show you to the end. So now the next part is how can we export our video. So we have to go to the animation tab, and then here we need to check on the export animation. We need to click the export animation, and after that this window will pop up. So this will going to ask you want to export which video. Current animation. Currently I'm selected animation 0N, so we can use current animation, and then the renderer is about the viewport. So this viewport means this will the output will be the JPEG or something. So I just want to use the Autodesk, and then the format I want to use the window AVI. This option, you want to get the full frame or another option, and after that this one is option FPS. This means frame per second. So 1 second will get the 6 frame. So you can adjust. You can adjust a lot. So this means you can adjust to the 50 or something like that. So but when you put more value here, this will take long time. So here is a site that I like to use the split or use view, something like that. So this one is based on your requirement. Then click OK, and this will export your animation video. But I don't want to export my video, so that's why I don't show you how to export the video. But you can see my how to export the video in my previous video. Then with no animation currently defined. So this means I have to check the animation first. Okay, then I need to export animation. Click again, and then the viewport. I just want to get the viewpoint AVI. Then click OK. So this will help you to export the walkthrough animation video. Alright, so that's all for this video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. So bye bye.